In Wheeler's experiment, the photon, once introduced into the experimental system, decides to take the form of a wave or particle, depending on the experimental conditions, demonstrating sensitivity to human observation. The important aspect is that this choice should retroact the particle or wave by a few billionths of a second, violating the arrow of time. The phenomenon of delayed choice, in the case of life, would have had the potential to modify, albeit slightly, the memory of the structure consistent with the value, between positive and negative, of the choice made, that could benefit, or not benefit, fitness. And over time, through repetition of a negative choice, the very survival of the cell. Retrograde memory modification would occur, through a small loan of energy, immediately returned. Moreover, through delayed choice, the bioparticle/biowaves push into the past would have retroactively modified the memory associated with the protocell's choices. A momentum that would have been gradually amplified. Today, in 3.8 billion years, such momentum would allow free will, through decisions capable of retroactively modifying neuronal activity. An activity that would instead appear, according to Libet's famous experiment, to activate 300–500 milliseconds earlier. We can consider Wheeler's delayed choice an excellent recipe for helping the change that the non-living cell needed in order to continue on its self-replicating path. Bearing in mind that, with respect to the changing environment, the outcome on the metabolism of the structure by causal choices can settle in a range of possibilities from effective to useless and harmful. Obviously, the drive in the past of choice would have added up differentially in each living being, extinct or surviving, reaching in humans the value of several seconds. Which would explain why, with Libet's experiments, neural activity appears to occur a few seconds before the choice made by the individual. This suggests that neural activity is the cause, while choice would be the effect.